Howdy and welcome back. So we've gone through an in-order traversal in some depth. We've kind of went through a pre-order a bit quicker. And I'll go ahead and introduce a post-order here in this video. So post-order traversal, so we've talked about in-order, where the root's kind of analyzed in between the left and right subtree, the pre-order, where the root is processed first. And now we're going to talk about a post-order traversal where the root would be processed after the subtrees. So in this case, a post-order tree walk, taking a node. If we're not at the null pointer, we're going to go ahead and perform a post-order tree walk on the left subtree, followed by the right subtree, and then we'll go ahead and process the node. I'll go ahead and walk through this, assuming that this process, the process portion here is just printing out the nodes to standard output. So if we begin at the root, first thing we're doing here, marching left. Okay, we're now at the node with the key value of 8. First thing we're doing, marching left again. Okay, now we're at the node with the key value of 4. Notice this is a leaf, so its left and right are the null pointers. So if we step left, we're going to create an activation record on the stack for the null pointer. Nothing happens, it's removed. We then do the same for the right, and then we're at this point, and assuming that we're printing to standard output, we'd write out 4 if we're putting out the node's key value. Okay, now we would return from the post-order tree walk invoked on 4 to the caller. Who was the caller? Well, the node with the key value of 8. So when we're in the node with the key value of 8, notice here, we've already gone left. So the next thing to do is to go right. So on the stack, a new activation record for post-order tree walk with node 12 is pushed. First thing we're going to do there, march left. Okay, now we're down at 10. Notice this is a leaf, so there's no left or right. So what's going to be print? 10. Okay, now we return from that invocation of post-order tree walk back to post-order tree walk of 12. Next thing we're going to do, step right. Hey, we're at a leaf again. So nothing happens on the walk left, nothing happens on the walk right. And then when we get back, and assuming the processing standpoint here is just printing that key value, we process it in 14's output to standard output. So now we've accomplished post-order tree walk on 14. We return to the caller, which was post-order tree walk of 12. Okay, cool. So we're back here. We've gone left, we've gone right. So now we process the node with the key value of 12. If we're writing to standard output, 12 is now written. Okay, cool. So now we're done with 12, right? So we return to the caller. That was post-order tree walk on 8. We've already gone left. We've already gone right. So we're back here, remember? We've already gone left. We've already visited those. We've already gone right. Right? So now process 8. So 8's going to get written out. Okay, cool. So at this point, we've processed the left subtree entirely, right? So when we return to the activation record for the node with the key value of 20, at that point, I know this is becoming multicolored, but we're back here. We've already gone left. What's next? To go right. Okay, this is a leaf, so there's no processing left or right. Both of those invocations on the node with the key value of 22's left and right is simply going to do nothing because it would not satisfy the node is not equal to null pointer condition, and therefore going left, right on node of 22, we're back to 22, and we process it. So we output 22. Now guess what? We're done in post-order tree walk on node with key value 22. We return to post-order tree walk invocation on the node with the key value of 20. Awesome. So we've gone, you see, I'm sorry how colorful this is. Let's do a bright red. So now we're back to the root. We've gone left. We've gone right. So we visited the left subtree. We visited the right subtree. The last thing to do, process the root, 20. And guess what? With that, we're done. We return from our activation, our invocation of post-order tree walk on the root node, and we've completed our post-order traversal. Yes, hopefully you followed. I mean, I know there's a bunch of different colors going on here, but again, we're just, just follow the walks, follow the recursive calls. And I would highly encourage you to go ahead and draw a memory diagram for this so you can see how the stack's, moving up and down throughout the processing. Okay, so as I promised, we'll go ahead and run through min and max, and then we'll push off searching and the successor stuff until tomorrow.